I was really scared to start a new business with a lot of competitors around me who had a ton-load of experience. But yet I didn't hesitate. I stayed focused and tried my best to supply all my customers and their needs. In spite of my age and the lack of experience, with the support of my family, staff and now TCL, I made it through this phase to what you see today.
Hardware and Construrama was a great partnership, and I look forward to working with them, to transforming their store, to bringing them the different value offers that we will be launching in a phase basis. We will learn and we will bring the best of what they have to offer to the best of the hardware store industry in Trinidad and Tobago.
Construrama, they've shown that it doesn't matter my gender, age or size of my business. For them, the important things is my drive and ambition to overcome the challenges of the market each day.
I was bringing to her, and it seems I have been impressed with this visionary young entrepreneur, and I just foresee a bright future in this hardware. All the team is here. What can I say? We are so proud to be here and keep on growing the Construrama network in Trinidad.
The power of Construrama will help us navigate all the current and future problems and challenges that we may meet down the road, which speaks to the power within the community and brand.